Order filled.
Hi guys, it's TJ with NetPicks.com and the PTU Trend Jumper Trading Strategy. I started the recorder right as I got into this trade, and I started talking you through the trade and just noticed that my voice didn't record. I'm really sorry, so I'm recording it after the fact, but you can see the trade taking place. You see the price bar moving. The first arrow on the left, that was a setup bar this morning. Today was a holiday, and I always go into these sessions with lowered expectations, and I had to host a webinar today too, so my whole idea was to try to get one win and then quit with a positive result. So I'll just let this trade play out. This trade was actually a pretty good size setup. You can see the entry at 86.09, and it was targeting the middle target, 85.87. And you can see the blue line there showing the target. That's actually a live marker on the chart. You can actually trade directly off of the chart here or off of the matrix. I've got them both showing. And the stop is also pointing towards where that left arrow is, the dot above the actual setup bar. The stop was at 86.28. You could also see an add-on trade, the second arrow on the right. That's optional, of course. It just triggered in as well. I did not take that trade. That trade was much smaller, and that one would be going to 85.93, the third target. And while that trade was going, I flipped over to the heating oil chart, and you could see a full winner had triggered in right there. That was a really great trade. Unfortunately, I just wasn't prepared to record that one. But it was a great winner, and the streak is alive. Heating oil has not had a losing session this entire month. That trade was good for 96 ticks and over $400 in profit. And this crude oil definitely took some time. Again, holiday trading, very slow. And it looked like the trade might even fail, and you could see both positions under pressure here. If one were in the add-on trade too, double downing. But when you are used to trading the trend jumper, you realize those stops are placed strategically for a reason. And as it turned out, both trades actually held on. And you will see what happens here in a moment. Although at this point in time, you're definitely feeling the heat if you're in these trades. All right, getting to money management here on this crude trade, and at this point we lock in a tick, take the risk off. So we got a risk-free trade. I probably should be at 08 because I did make that one tick adjustment. And hopefully we can just squeeze a little bit more out of this. Getting as low as 91, needing to get to 87. A few more ticks. And you can see the add-on trade would have been a full winner. Another add-on trade here on crude oil. Alright, crude oil missing its full target by one tick. And I'm just trying to hang in there. I should lock in a little bit of profit with one of them, just hoping it's going to punch through.
Order filled.
There it goes. So nice winner right there. And I will be starting to move my trailer down. Nice patient trade on a slow holiday session. Not even messing with the U.S. equity markets today with it being a bank holiday. And on sessions like this, where the market's really thin and slow due to holiday trading, I lower my expectations. And on crude, I like to get two winners and a positive result. On a day like today, I will quit with one winner. So this will be the final trade. Even though it's trading quite well, you can see The add-on trades, we don't know about this one yet. The add-on trade's not part of my current trade plan at this point, but I do point them out in the videos because they can be very profitable. And I can move my stop down. Actually, it belongs at 07, and that's right where it is, so I'm just going to be patient. All right, I can go down to 06 now. Still not able to really improve my stop. On this next bar, hopefully if it doesn't close too much higher, I'll be able to go down to 85.01 or 85.02. Let's see where this bar closes. And I can't move my stop. I got to leave it where it is. Since this bar closed above the jump line, I may only end up getting 2 ticks out of this trade, and that's all I got. But still, a nice trade, a nice winner. And look how accurate the target was. And we see that a lot with Trend Jumper. Sometimes it's too accurate. Luckily, I did get filled. But we had to be very patient. The stop was well placed. Never came close. Well, it came kind of close, but it was in a good position. And that's a wrap for today, guys. Holiday session. We'll keep this to just one and done. I'll see you next time. This is TJ with NetPicks.com and the Trend Jumper Trading System.